Hey guys, welcome to our channel RudraVed. Today we brought you another 5-minute back workout using dumbbells only. At home, you just need 2 dumbbells and a floor. You can do this workout. Okay, so there are 5 exercises, a minute long each, in which 45 seconds is of workout followed by 15 seconds of rest. So 1 minute, 1 into 5, there are 5 exercises. Okay, so let's get started. In 10 seconds, we will start. The first exercise is pronate dumbbell extension. You see, you will lie pronate and you will extend. Okay, start. Fully extend. You see, fully extend. Breathe from nose only. 15 seconds left. And relax. Okay, next exercise is dumbbell row. But I will tell you the technique, how to exactly do it to get the maximum benefits from your dumbbell rows. Already feeling pumped in the back. Okay, start. Now you see, you wanna sit like this and arch in the back is important. You see, arch. And you will stop here and come back. Maintain this posture. You will train lower back as well. 1 second pause. Turn. Fully extend. Do as many reps as you can. 2 seconds left. And we are done. Done with the second exercise. Now the third exercise is deadlift. Okay, I'll tell you the technique how to do the deadlift. Again, to get the maximum benefit from this workout. Okay, start. Deadlift. You gonna sit, stop, lower your body down, touch the dumbbell, return like this and like this. You getting it? Sit, stop, lower your body down, touch, up. Okay? You will do more. I invested my time in explaining to you. And relax. You can shake. You can extend your muscles. Again, 2 and 1. Place around the world. Again, starting from here. You see? Fully extending the back. See? Keep your focus on the back. Again, create an arch on the back. This is brutal. And we are done. Just one more rep I want to do. Relax. The next is Sadharan Dand. You're gonna do Sadharan Dand on the dumbbell. Okay, start. Hold it like this. And return. 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 If you want to know how to do that, there is a full playlist of how to do that on our channel, of course. We are about to do done and relax. You are done. You see, my breath rate is up. I'm already feeling strength in my back. You see, it was focused on the upper back and lower back. Shoulder will take, upper back traps will take in the shoulder portion. So I guess we are done. See you in the next video. Length, Jai Shri Ram.